Cold open. Greetings, skincare enthusiasts. If you're on the hunt for an effective, natural way to get a healthy, radiant glow, then you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 3 fantastic DIY face masks that have been hailed by beauty gurus and skin enthusiasts alike for abilities to deliver glowing skin. First off, let's delve into the benefits of our honey and lemon mask. The delightful blend of 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice isn't just a treat for your taste buds. When applied to your skin, it acts as a natural moisturizer and brightener. Once you've mixed your ingredients together, apply the mask generously to your face, leave on for 15 minutes to work its magic, and then wash it off. Next in line is our oatmeal and banana mask. This mask is a potent combination of half a ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, and a dash of milk. The oatmeal in this mask acts as a gentle exfoliator, while the banana hydrates and nourishes your skin. Apply this mask, give it 20 minutes to penetrate your skin, then rinse it off. Lastly, we have the turmeric and yogurt mask. This mask is a powerhouse blend of 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. The turmeric has anti-inflammatory benefits, and the yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate and refresh your skin. Apply this mask, allow it to sit on your skin for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. Remember, consistency is key in achieving and maintaining that desired radiant glow. With these DIY masks, your journey to glowing skin will be a smooth and enjoyable one. Enjoy your journey to glowing skin.